I want to talk about the difference between Aeropress and French press.
This was one of the first things that I got started in coffee, one of the first devices that I bought, and it's probably the easiest to get started in. The core thing about it is it's a cylinder and it has this wire mesh screen. So you put your coffee in it, you put your water, it's a form of immersion brewing, and then you set this on top, which kind of acts as your filter, and it sits on top of the coffee and water. You let it steep, and then you plunge it when you're ready to serve it, and you pour in your cup and enjoy it.
Aeropress. So there are two main ways to brew coffee on the Aeropress. There's standard and inverted. So standard, your filter goes down here. You put this right side up on your cup, add the coffee, add the water, and then what you're gonna do is plunge downward and you have your cup of coffee. Inverted, instead of doing it with the filter here, you put the plunger in, turn it upside down, you add coffee and water. Then what you're gonna do is put this on, turn it upside down and plunge down into your cup.
In terms of flavor, one of the biggest ways that the flavor is impacted in these devices is through the filter. The French press has a wire mesh filter, which is going to allow a lot of the oils in the coffee through, which is going to create more of a creamier, rich mouthfeel. After you brew a cup of French press, you'll actually see the oils on top kind of shimmering. Whereas the Aeropress uses a paper filter, which is going to catch all those oils and produce kind of a cleaner cup. That's one of the primary differences between the two, but Will, what about the methodology?
Yeah, so when it comes to the French press, it's pretty straightforward, right? There's pretty much just one way to do it. You put the coffee in, the water in, you let it steep, you plunge and you pour. And then there being whole competitions just based off the Aeropress kind of goes to show that there's just a world of coffee you can get on the Aeropress.
The nice thing about the Aeropress is great for backpacking and traveling. It's plastic, it won't break, collapses, and it's really small. Whereas the French press is usually made of glass, metal, plastic, not quite as portable. Also cleanup is a little more difficult. You gotta have running water so you can rinse everything out and get all the grinds out. Whereas the Aeropress is a lot easier to clean up.
When it comes to French press, you can usually find them in 12 or 20 or 32 ounce sizes. So you're usually able to brew more coffee on the French press than on the Aeropress. Whereas Aeropress, you're only able to get 8 to 10 ounces of water into the vessel. So you're brewing a smaller amount of coffee, but French press, depending on the size of French press you buy, you could brew for a whole group.
So both of these devices are different, but a lot of people own both. They're relatively cheap to acquire. French press is great for entry level. Aeropress is great for people who are wanting more advanced brewing options and more variety and experimentation. But they're both some of the best devices out there.